Okay.
You have to pay to get your SPCA kittens, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't. Don't think so.
You have to, I think they don't give them to you unless you get them neutered and stuff.
They neuter them.
Yeah, but they don't do it for free.
I thought they did. You're so cute.
What's this?
You're so cute. So big.
Yeah, she's cute.
Large cat. So you guys want lunch then?
That's okay.
Well, speak, because I can make some.
What are you making?
You're going to go without? Okay, that means lunch.
There she is.